Today we are learning to crochet this beautiful lily flower. We will learn to crochet lily flower petal, its pollen and its leaf, and we will also learn to assemble step by step. Let's begin. We need all of these materials. I am using green for leaf, this light yellow for petals, and this dark yellow for pollen. We need crochet wire and one stem scissor, and I am using 1.1 crochet hook. Make one slip knot and 20 chain. Slip knot is ready. Now let's make 20 chain. Our 20 chain is ready. Skip very first chain and make one single crochet in second chain. Then one half double crochet in next chain. After this, now make 12 double crochet from here. One double crochet, 2 double crochet. Like this, make 12 double crochet. Our 12 double crochet is ready. From here, now let's make 2 half double crochet in 2 space. 1 half double crochet. In next chain, make another 1 half double crochet and make 2 single crochet in 2 space. 1 single crochet and make another single crochet in next space. Now we have one last chain remaining, 3 single crochet in this space. This is our turning section, so we are making 3 single crochet. This is second and this is third. Now another part. Repeat the same methods or same pattern that we have done in this first side. In this very last chain we made 3 single crochet. Now from here make 2 single crochet in 2 space. Make 2 half double crochet. From here make 12 double crochet as we did before. I'll see you after finishing 12 double crochet. After 12 double crochet, like this side, make 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet in last chain. 1 slip stitch in the very first chain of the first row. Make 1 slip stitch like this and insert the wire from here. Insert the wire in this loop and make 1 single crochet in the same space that this loop comes from. To make 1 single crochet, make 1 chain and make 1 single crochet in the same space. After this, make 15 half double crochet from second chain. One, 2, 3. Like this, make 15 half double crochet and I'll see you there. 15 half double crochet is done. Now make 3 single crochet from here. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and this is our third single crochet. In the very first row we have made 3 single crochet in the top of the chain. This is the middle of the single crochet. So now make 1 single crochet here and 1 chain, and make again 1 single crochet in same space. This is our turning point. So half of the part is finished. Now let's repeat the same process that we have done in this side. Now let's make 3 single crochet from the next chain. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and this is our 3rd single crochet. From here make 15 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Like this, make 12 more half double crochet to complete the 15. 15 half double crochet is done. Now make 1 single crochet in the last chain and make 1 slip stitch in the very first chain of the next side. Pull the yarn, make a big loop and wrap this wire. Now wrap a little bit this yarn. And our one of the lily petal is now ready. We need 6 petals in total to make 1 lily flower, so I have already made rest of the 5. Now let's move on to the leaf. Make 1 slip knot and make 25 chain. Our 25 chain is ready. Insert the wire in this loop and now make 1 single crochet in the next chain. This is our first chain. Skip this one and make 1 single crochet in next chain. Make 1 half double crochet in next. Then from here make 17 double crochet. Make 17 double crochet from here. 1, 2, 3. Like this, complete your 17 double crochet and I'll see you there. 17 double crochet is done. Now let's make 2 half double crochet from here. One half double crochet. This is our second half double crochet. From here let's make 2 single crochet. We have left 1 chain. Let's make 1 single crochet, then 1 chain, make 1 picot, insert the hook in this loop. These loops come from our single crochet that we just made, and make 1 slip stitch and again make 1 single crochet in the same space. This is our tip of the leaf. Now let's crochet another part just like this part. Make 2 single crochet from here, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, make 2 half double crochet from here, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, and from here make 17 double crochet. One double crochet, 2 double crochet, like this. Complete your 17 double crochet and I'll see you there. Double crochet part is complete. Now let's make 1 half double crochet and 1 single crochet at last. This is our half double crochet and 1 single crochet, and make 1 slip stitch in the very first chain of the first row. Pull the yarn, grab the wire like this and make it a little bit tighter and wrap the yarn around the wire. And cut this yarn. Our leaf is ready. We need 2 leaves for 1 lily flower. Now let's make pollen. To make the pollen, I'm using 2 mm crochet hook, a little bit bigger. Make 1 slip knot and make 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip this first chain and make single crochet from here. In total make 4 single crochet. 3, and this is our last single crochet for the pollen. 4, and make 1 slip stitch in the same space, 1 chain and cut yarn. This is our pollen. Insert the wire this to this and fold the wire and from here wrap green yarn. We can cut this yellow yarn, we don't need this long. And cut this green yarn. Our 1 pollen is ready. We need 4 and our 4 pollen is ready. Now we have all of the things that we need for a lily flower. Now let's assemble and make one complete and beautiful lily. Take these 4 pollen around the stem. And grab the yarn. Now let's add petals one by one. Now add all the petals as well. Now let's add one leaf here. Add and wrap the green yarn throughout the stem till here. Add a little bit glue to secure the stem with yarn. Let it dry a little bit. Adjust the petals and leaf a little bit to give it a beautiful look. Our beautiful lily flower is all ready to go. I hope you understand the process and you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more such video. Thank you for watching.